The calm of control. Planning your way to a stress-free life. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by life? The constant demands, the never-ending to-do lists, and the feeling that there are just not enough hours in the day? Do tasks pile up, leaving you feeling stressed and anxious? It's a common scenario in our fast-paced world. There's a simple solution: planning. By taking a few moments each day to organize your tasks, you can transform chaos into order. Planning provides a sense of control amidst chaos. It allows you to prioritize what's important and tackle tasks one step at a time. It transforms anxiety into calm action. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you can approach your day with a clear mind and a focused plan. When you have a plan, you know what to do and when to do it. This structure helps you stay on track and ensures that nothing important slips through the cracks. This clarity reduces stress and boosts productivity. With a clear plan, you can accomplish more in less time, leaving you with extra moments to relax and enjoy life. Planning is not about rigidity. It's about creating a flexible framework that adapts to your needs and circumstances. It's about creating a roadmap for your day, week, or even year. This roadmap guides you toward your goals while allowing for flexibility. You can adjust your plans as needed, ensuring that you stay on course even when life throws you a curveball. Remember, life is full of surprises. No matter how well you plan, unexpected events will occur. A good plan helps you navigate these unexpected detours without derailing your progress. By staying flexible and adjusting your plans, you can maintain your sense of control and continue moving forward. Why planning matters. Order in the chaos. Our lives are filled with demands. Work, family, friends, and personal commitments compete for our time and attention. Without a plan, it's easy to feel pulled in every direction. This leads to overwhelm, missed deadlines, and unfulfilled goals. Planning brings order to this chaos. It allows you to prioritize tasks, allocate time effectively, and track your progress. By organizing your thoughts and actions, you gain a sense of control over your life. This empowers you to make conscious choices about how you spend your precious time. The power of goals, knowing your destination. Imagine setting off on a journey without a destination in mind. You could wander aimlessly, never reaching your full potential. Goals are your destination. They provide direction and purpose. Without clear goals, you lack motivation and focus. Setting goals is the crucial first step in planning. Your goals should be meaningful to you. They should excite you and drive you forward. When you have a clear destination in mind, you can plan your journey effectively. Smart goals. Your roadmap to success. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Not all goals are created equal. Some goals are vague and lack direction, while others are clear and actionable. To be effective, goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework ensures that your goals are clear and reachable. Specific. Your goal should be clearly defined. A specific goal has a much greater chance of being accomplished than a general one. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," specify how. "I want to lose 10 pounds. This gives you a clear target to aim for. Measurable. You need a way to track your progress. Without a way to measure your success, you miss out on the celebration that comes with knowing you have actually achieved something. Use numbers or specific criteria to measure success. This could be tracking your weight, counting steps, or monitoring your progress in a spreadsheet. Achievable. Your goal should be challenging but realistic. Setting an impossible goal can be discouraging, while a realistic goal keeps you motivated. Relevant. Your goal should align with your values and overall objectives. It should matter to you and fit within your broader life plans. Time-bound. Set a deadline for achieving your goal. A deadline creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. This creates urgency and accountability. When you have a time frame, you are more likely to stay on track and achieve your goal. Remember, the journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay focused, and you will reach your destination. Section 5, breaking it down. Making big goals achievable. Large goals can feel overwhelming. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes the goal less daunting and allows you to track your progress more easily. For example, if your goal is to write a book, break it down into chapters. Then, break each chapter down into sections. By focusing on completing one small task at a time, you'll steadily move closer to your ultimate goal. Section 6. The Eisenhower Matrix, prioritizing your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are urgent, demanding immediate attention. Others are important but not urgent. The Eisenhower Matrix helps you prioritize tasks effectively. Urgent and important, do these tasks immediately. Important but not urgent. Schedule time to work on these tasks. Urgent but not important. Delegate these tasks if possible. Not urgent and not important. Eliminate these tasks. Section 7. Time blocking. Making time for what matters. Time is your most valuable resource. Time blocking is a powerful technique for making the most of your time. It involves scheduling specific blocks of time for different tasks or activities. For example, you might block out 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. for focused work, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. for lunch and email, and 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. for meetings. This structured approach reduces procrastination and ensures that you dedicate time to your priorities. Section 8. Flexibility, adapting your plan to life's surprises. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected events will inevitably arise. Don't be afraid to adjust your plans as needed. Flexibility is crucial for successful planning. If something urgent comes up, reevaluate your priorities and adjust your schedule accordingly. Remember, planning is a tool to help you navigate life, not a rigid set of rules. Section 9. Start planning today. A journey of 1,000 miles. The best time to start planning was yesterday. Reflect on the past, but don't dwell on it. Use it as a learning experience to fuel your future endeavors. The second best time is today. Embrace the present moment and seize the opportunities it offers. Every day is a new chance to make progress. Don't wait for the perfect moment or for life to calm down. Start small. Even the tiniest step forward is better than standing still. Begin by planning your day. Outline your tasks and set achievable goals. This will give you a clear direction and a sense of purpose. Then gradually expand to weekly and monthly plans. Break down your larger goals into manageable chunks. This makes them less overwhelming and more attainable. As you experience the benefits of planning, reduced stress, increased productivity, and a greater sense of control, you'll be motivated to make it a lifelong habit. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Each step you take brings you closer to your destination. Take that step today and start planning your way to a more fulfilling life. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in now. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of growth and self-discovery.